Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a world where comfort meets cutting-edge innovation. The insane luxury motorhomes of 2026. These aren't your average RVs. They're rolling mansions designed for those who want to experience first-class living wherever the road takes them. Let's start with the overall trend that's taken the industry by storm. Designers in 2026 have completely transformed the idea of mobility. Instead of just a vehicle for vacations, motorhomes are now built to be self-sufficient living spaces capable of handling long-term travel with complete comfort. Step inside one of these next-generation models, and you'll immediately feel like you've entered a luxury penthouse rather than a motorhome. Interiors are wrapped in premium leather, natural wood veneers, and ambient lighting that adjusts automatically based on mood and time of day. Voice-controlled systems handle lighting, temperature, and entertainment, all synced to personal preferences. Now let's talk about comfort and entertainment. The new luxury motorhomes of 2026 are equipped with theater-grade 8K OLED screens, 3D surround sound, and retractable smart glass walls that turn opaque for privacy at the touch of a button. The kitchen designs are equally stunning. We're talking full-size refrigerators, induction cooktops, smart ovens, and even AI meal planners that suggest recipes based on what's in your pantry. The surfaces are crafted from recycled marble composites, offering both sustainability and luxury. When it comes to the cockpit, 2026 motorhomes bring aviation-level sophistication to the driver's seat. The dashboard is completely digital, with holographic displays and augmented reality navigation projecting directly onto the windshield. Adaptive cruise systems, automatic lane positioning, and collision avoidance sensors make long-distance travel smooth and stress-free. Outside, the craftsmanship continues to impress. Aerodynamic designs reduce drag, while integrated solar panels and smart air suspension adapt automatically to terrain and weather conditions. Many models now feature expandable sides that transform the motorhome into a full-sized living area when parked. One of the standout names this year is the new Aralis 9500LX, a hybrid electric masterpiece that combines elegance with innovation. Its interior feels more like a private jet than a road vehicle, featuring handcrafted Italian leather, ambient star ceiling lighting, and a lounge that converts seamlessly into a home office. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the next generation of motorhomes, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.